Let's paint the Hill Troll, a towering menace, thick-skinned and brutal. In this series, we're painting all the models from Fantasy Flight's Lord of the Rings Journeys in Middle-earth, using only the speed paints from Army Painter's Most Wanted set. The goal? Fully painted models in just a few evenings, with a simple, beginner-friendly method that still looks great on the table. We're starting each one with a zenithal prime. Full details are in the priming video. There's a lot of skin to cover, so use a large brush loaded with pallid bone and apply it quickly across all exposed areas. Pick out the scaly textures on the back, arms and legs with forest sprite. Now prepare to apply a dark wood wash. First, cover the entire skin area with pure water. This helps the paint flow smoothly into the recesses. Then apply dark wood over the top. Use Slaughter Red on the tongue and Murder Scene for the lips and scars. You can remove any paint from the teeth with a clean, damp brush. Paint the rock weapon with Gravelord Grey. Use dark wood for the handle, leather loincloth and the rope wrapped around the stone. Pick out the fingernails and toenails with holy white. Add a touch of Beowulf blue to the scraps of leather on the loincloth. The hill troll is finished, a hulking terror ready to crush all who stand in its way.